In our second video, we will find the perfect spot for the charging station of our Sileno Minimo and set it up. For the installation, you will need a hammer, pliers and wire cutters. So, in order to find the best place for the charging station, be sure to get the layout of your garden. The area should be shady and level, so that the mower can drive itself into the station well. Preferably, the station should be outside of the lawn and have 2 meters in front of it so that the Minimo can drive to work and back home again easily. And there should be no magnetic objects near the charging station. You can use any flat developed surface, such as terraces, beds, etc., to set up a comfy home for your Minimo. Depending on the type of garden, it also makes a lot of sense if the charging station is not in the middle, but rather at the end of the area to be mowed. Of course, nothing works without electricity. A 3-meter long cable is included in the box. Longer cables are available as accessories from Gardena. First, position the floor plate so that the back of it is facing the edge of the lawn. The small holes are to allow water to drain. Then I just have to clip the changing unit in from above. So, now connect the adapter to the low voltage cable and the charging station. Finally, plug in the adapter. Push the mowing robot into the charging station and turn on the main switch. Important: don't screw in the mounting screws for the floor plate. We'll take care of that at the end.